Good morning, students. So last class we did discuss about monarchy something, no, about monarchy system. Yes. Next, democratic governments. So about this not discussing. India sector will be complete. Democratic government. India is a democracy. India is a democracy. This achievement is the result of a long and eventful struggle of the Indian people. Are saying there are other places in the world where people have also struggled to have democracy. You now know that the main features of a democracy is that the people have the power to elect their bodies. So মানুহবিলাক কি কৰে নিজৰ কি কৰে আমাৰ যিবিলাক লিডাৰ আছে পলিটিকেল সেইবিলাক আমি ইলেক্টেড কৰোঁ ভোট দি so in a sense a democracy is the rule by the people. The basic idea is that people rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. আৰু আমি আমাৰ কি হয় নিজে পাৰ্টিচিপেট কৰি ৰুলাৰবিলাকক আমি ইলেক্ট কৰি লওঁ. Democratic governments in our times are usually referred to as representative democracies. Represent কৰা আমাৰ democracy. In representative democracy, people do not participate directly participate নকৰে, but instead choose their representatives through an election process কৰে. These representatives meet and make decision for the entire population. গোটেই পপুলেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে কৰে. These days a government cannot call itself democratic unless it allows what is known as universal adult franchise. This means that all adults in the county are allowed to vote. So যিমানবিলাক মানুহ আছে কাউণ্ট্ৰিখনৰ গোটেইবিলাক কি কৰে ভোট দিব পাৰে. But it was not always like this. Can you believe that there was a time when governments did not allow women and the poor to participate in election? In their earliest forms, governments allowed only men who owned property and were educated to vote. This means that women, the poor, the propertyless and the uneducated were not allowed to vote. The country was governed by the rules and regulations that these few men made. So মানুহবিলাকে পাৰিছিল মতা মানুহবিলাকে চবে পাৰ্টিচিপেট কৰিব পৰা নাছিল. So এইটো কথা কৈছিল. Next, in India before independence only a small minority was allowed to vote, and a referendum came together to determine the fate of the majority. Several people including Gandhiji were shocked at the unfairness of this participation and demanded that all adults have the right to vote. This is known as universal adult franchise. So এইটো গান্ধীজী আৰু পিছত কি হৈছিল ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চৰ পিছত কৰিছিলে তো কামটো. So তাৰপিছত এইটো কি বুলি জনা যায় ইউনিভাৰ্চেল এডাল্ট ফ্ৰেঞ্চাইজ. Writing in the journey Young India in 1931, Gandhiji said, I cannot possibly bear the idea that a man who has got wealth should have the vote, but that a man who has got character but no wealth or literacy should have no vote, or that a man who works honestly by the sweat of his brow day in and day out should not have the vote for the crime of being a poor man. So এটা ক্ৰাইম হৈছে যে দুখীয়া হোৱাৰ কাৰণে ভোট দিব পৰা নাছিল. চ' এইবিলাক নহ'ব বুলি কৈছিল. এই চিষ্টেমবিলাক উঠি যাব বুলি কৈছিল আৰু নতুনকৈ চবেই কি কৰিব পাৰিছিল নিউ পলিচি মতে সকলোৱে ভোট দিব পাৰিছিল. So this lesson is completed and we will discuss next day our new lessons. Key elements of democratic government. So democratic government কি এলিমেণ্ট লাগে সো এটা আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত কৰিম। থেংক ইউ।